What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. We've made it back, but this is the last video we did over there in California. Make sure to drop a comment, which everybody's been dropping comments, guys. I try to hit the like on all the comments. If I hit the like on your comment, it's because I read it. So guys, make sure to drop a comment. It helps out a lot. Also, everybody that's been sharing my profile whenever I post a picture on Instagram, thank you to all you guys. It really helps out a lot. Guys, we're back in Houston. Whenever you guys want to come through the shop, we pretty much all the time here at the shop, so come through, check us out, check out the car. Is gonna be here. I'm gonna be driving it every day for the people that are coming from out of town and the people just locally here. Also, if you guys want to pick up any Project Tour gear, as you guys can see right here, we have everything in stock back on the website, and whatever you buy right now gives you entries for the upcoming giveaways. Now we are gonna be announcing the giveaway on that truck on the OG clone next week, so stay tuned for the date and the time. And yeah, guys, so thank you again for watching. Subscribe. Let's get to 500,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Enjoy the video.
On a chase, I don't think they running at my pace. Jordan ones, gotta keep them laced. If she bad, I might have to get a taste. Whip go vroom, I'll set them on a chase. That's the way. I said I'ma do it, I'ma get it anyways. All I do is work, I got this money on my brain. I don't like to talk, I just got way too much at stake. They been trying to get me.
Damn, boy. I was over there handling some business, guys, but damn, look at these wheels. They look sick. Why the hell did you try rapping without telling me, Morro? Morro with the damn sandals, look at him. He looks ridiculous, look at him.
And with the whole Shipley suit.
Oh, what the hell?
Ay, cabrón.
He changed, he wasn't wearing that. Where'd you get that from? Este vato venía con plan. Alright, guys, so today is the day we're changing the wheel setup on the car. Now I was gonna do a better reveal, but I turned around and the wheels were already out. Check it out, guys, check it out. We got Belloc wheels, front and back. They're 18s that way all the way around. 18s all the way around. Now this set of wheels is not only gonna improve the look of the car. With this set of wheels, guys, we're gonna be able to turn up the car more so it could get better traction. We could race better. And we could turn it up to its maximum power, which is what, 1400 horsepower. So guys, drop a comment right now what you guys think of these wheels. I completely in love with them. I saw these on another car and I told them these are the ones that I want. Now we were gonna put a bigger, I think it was like a 20 and a 19 in the front, but we weren't gonna be able to push all that power. But with these, the car is not only gonna look good, but it's gonna hook good, and hopefully we can win the races with whoever we race. It comes with all this or what?
Yeah.
The studs?
Stickers? Oh yeah, studs.
Oh, so it's studs so you can put like a regular nut on it. Damn, it's gonna look crazy, guys. Check it out. How's it gonna look, ketchup?
Ser perro.
It
Damn.
looks badass? Come hold it.
Mira.
No mames, güey.
Pinche antotota.
It looks, se mira bien performance. Damn, I'm so glad we got these wheels, güey.
Sean perros,
It's unbelievable. Big shout out to Belloc. Alex actually called them and he's like, hey, we need these wheels ASAP. They got them overnighted. We ordered them on Friday and we got them here Monday. So good thing Alex got connections. If it wasn't for that, we would not be putting these wheels on right now. Big shout out to Alex from Chico.
Yeah.
Air.
Next to air.
Ay, cabrones.
Eh?
Damn,
Damn, it looks really good, way. And these are gonna stick out a little bit more with that one?
Yeah, it looks like it.
That's what I want. Cause these guys, whenever the car sits, you can even tell right now it tucks in a little bit. Now with these, it's gonna look more like that one. See how that one looks? Like I was gonna get them all black, but when I do the wrap on the car and with the little shiny, it's gonna look more badass. Okay, ahora sí, let's get him installed.
What do you think?
Damn.
Deme boy?
Este merece un demo, boy.
He's gonna look sick with these wheels on.
And like, it's like little diamonds.
Yeah.
Like all the little bolts and hardware. Like on the skirts, y más le falta la wing. He's putting the front diffuser.
The front lip? I don't think so, not yet. Pero ya todo junto.
Oh, no, just the wheels, right?
Just the, yeah.
It's gonna stand out. About more.
They look badass, huh?
Sí, güey.
Damn it, boy.
I just noticed these are studs, not bolts. Mira.
What's the difference?
Pues el stud, mira. Está la rosca y la tuerca, este es el tornillo.
Es que esos son más performance.
Oh, sí, cierto.
Estos son más performance. No, I don't know why.
Yeah, no, I'm sure there's a reason, but it looks sick.
They stick out a little bit more, huh?
Sí, ese morro que le cortas el diferencial por el big lip.
No,
Para
mames.
acá es big lip.
¿Cómo ve? ¿Qué le parece?
Chingoncísimo, ¿no? Ahora sí se va a pegar.
Ahora sí va a ganchar, machín.
Ahora sí no vas a estar quemando llanta como loco.
Como que vamos a quemar llanta, pero ya con SC.
Ya
So,
con esta
para las
no,
carreras, no se quema la transmisión.
No, pero aparte te los no están tan baratos como...
No, y luego para cambiar las llantas estos, hay que quitarle todos los tornillitos y la chingada. ¿No? Este es nomás un burner para la carrera ahí. Y esto.
Y para hacer trompos esa.
Para hacer trompos.
Para el burnout pit.
Yeah. ¿Cómo ves? ¿Está bonito, no?
Me gustan, se le van a ver muy bien. Y ya le cambiaste sus chanclas a este,
Se cambió de ropa.
pero las chanclas no.
Las chanclas no.
Grábalo de aquí para arriba.
Me le faltaban las chanclas.
Andaba enchanclado este, trae unos chores de basketball todos llenos de manchas y no, hombre.
Llenos de huevo, leche.
Huevo y
Ay,
leche y
cabrón.
todo.
Y lo peor es que las trae con calcetines. Como quiero sin calcetines aguantaba.
Y luego son de las chanclas que tienen el
gallo.
güey.
La orquesta.
La orquesta con calcetines.
Mira, se la está escondiendo. Mira, se la está
No la
escondiendo.
escondas, enséñala. ¡Chao! Las chanclas. El enchanclao. A este cuando lo miren, díganle el enchanclao.
Pregúntenle por las chanclas.
Sí, cuando lo miren en un car meet, un truck show. ¿Dónde están las chanclas, morro? Enchanclao.
Así vamos a andar ya en los coches.
El chanchoncle. Va a ser el chanchoncle. Pero ¿por qué estas se ocupan estas llantas y ese aquellas, güey?
Esa sí trae 15 atrás.
Hey, that's a two-wheel drive? No. No, it's two-wheel drive? But why does that one have a bigger tire? Like?
That has a 15-inch conversion.
Oh, those are not the rims that go in the front, right?
No, it usually has matching set.
Ah, okay. They look good, pero a mí me gustan.
No se aganchan mejor con
Pues sí. Pero como que ya se va a
Porque
enganchar el
tienes
doble.
Tiene más llanta.
No, pero no, sí patina. Ya con 1500, 1800 caballos, ocupas que este haga el twist,
Que haga wrinkle. Un poquito.
el wrinkle.
Esto es better than stock, by far, pero ya 15 is always better.
Ah, después compramos otro set.
¿Te venden los del Mustang?
Cállate, no le queda. No, guys, it's gonna look really, really nice. I'm stoked about it. That, and then tomorrow we have a big race, which we're probably not gonna be able to put on the video, but we will eventually. You guys know where we're going. Drop a comment if you know where we're going. A lot of people already know. I seen them comment.
To the
that
streets.
We're going to the streets, so it's gonna be good, guys. That's why we're doing all this. We're doing all this so you guys could, you know what I'm saying? Whenever y'all see us win, y'all can be like, that's badass. So we're taking that one and the King Cobra. Now, we might put a little sneak peek on the Instagram or whatever, so stay tuned for all that. But for now, let's put these on and then this little side skirts. I got little side skirts for it too.
Un tan.
Okay, guys, the first one is going in. Yeah, Razo?
Damn.
Holy smokes. That shit looks crazy, way. That looks real performance. That's crazy, huh?
Yeah. Nada que ver. It's a different car now.
Yeah, it's a whole different car.
Now it looks
Like
like
you bought a whole different car? What the hell?
You got two Lambos?
Way. It looks clean.
Ahora sí turn it up to 2000.
2,000 horsepower coming soon.
Off the hit.
Like I said on my previous video, this is a 2,000 horsepower build. We just take it in steps, guys. But it's eventually gonna hit 2,000 horsepower.
there's gonna be
Mark my
V1,
words. Huh?
version 1.
Yeah, this is version 1 of the Lambo.
This is a 1.0.
Al rato con cam y todo.
The chopper camera can. Ahorita falta el tío Diddley, star, headers.
Velocity headers.
Velocity headers, velocity mufflers. Dos mufflers así.
Damn, I'm super happy, guys. I can't wait to see it in the ground with the front and back wheel on there. It's gonna look crazy. Damn, all-wheel drive burnout.
Little bolts así. A little hardware makes it look like little diamantitos y brillitos, you know what I mean? Like,
Well, I mean, this is like a diamond right
Oh, is
here.
it?
This
Yeah.
shit is expensive. Guys, these things are like hella money. I wouldn't spend this money, but I guess we had to. But it's a lot.
Ya estás atascado.
Ya estamos atorados. we can't live without these on, so. M&H tires, R888, ¿verdad? Las de atrás.
No, it's SS, Mickey
Oh
Thompson.
yeah, Mickey Thompson. Oh, Mickey Thompson in front and back.
No, it's M&H and then the other Mickey Thompson. They're different.
Guys, drop a comment what you guys think of these wheels. Drop a comment right now. And I want to thank everybody who's dropped a comment on my previous videos. Because ever since I told you guys that it really helps out, whenever you guys drop a comment, everybody's been dropping comments and some drop like 5 or 6 comments. believe me guys, I go through and I read all of them. I try to like as many as I can. We're on that, so big shout out to everybody who's been doing that. It really helps out for the YouTube algorithm. That way we can get to 1 million subscribers before the end of the year.
Feel like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah I got a couple. I don't drive the ball, nah I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Yeah I need it now, told him on the lay. I've been moving dog, yeah I'm on the way. I don't hear the talk, don't care what they say.
Alrighty guys, so we got the front wheels on. Check it out. Brand spanking new. Look at this tire. Look at this wheel. V-lock. Really nice looking guys. We got both of the front ones. Now they're working on the back ones. And then we're gonna put in the little side skirts. I am gonna be missing the front diffuser, but I'm gonna get that later on. And then the wing, we are probably gonna have to get it shipped out to Texas because I don't think the guys are gonna have it ready in time before we leave back. But the car's looking really, really good. Look at this setup back here. Look at that. Holy macaroni. Top quality stuff, top quality stuff. And then eventually, drop a comment guys, what color should we wrap it? I was thinking leaving the roof black and then wrapping it probably a color like this, or like a satin gray, like the same gray but like a satin color, like nothing shiny. Comment down below what you guys think. Look at that. Bien mamalón.
Feel like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah I got a couple. I don't drive the ball, nah I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell.
See. Ready?
Damn, this thing looks crazy. Holy macaroni. Damn, quedó con madre.
Hey, wait, that's bad, huh? It looks good.
Man, with that side skirt, it looks crazy.
It does not, looks aggressive.
Yeah.
We gotta find you a nice little, like a Performante style wing, up with downforce, and then the lip.
Damn, I can't believe how good this looks. Alex, this looks amazing. Holy smoke. And right now it's high. Ahorita que lo baje. Guys, so I really like how this makes it look. It makes it look more square off. Without it, it looks a little bit round and a little bit weak. But now that it's square off, nice touch. Man, se ve bien perro, güey. Guys, we brought a car here and we're taking back a whole different car. This car looks amazing.
Está bien agresivo. I get it.
Aggressive! The most aggressive thing I've ever seen in my life.
It's a whole different animal.
Yeah.
It was supposed to come just for a little bolt-on package.
Yeah, bolt-on package, 1,000 to the wheels. Get out of here,
It's a
Freddy.
low 8-second package.
Damn it, bro.
Where's that truck? Pull it up.
Yeah.
I guarantee you this would beat the truck in a roll.
In a row for sure. Yeah, probably.
Let homeboy drive the truck, you drive the Lambo.
Nah, I can't race against my own thing. I would have to race him with something else. I can't, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Both
yeah.
of my cars have to be like
Yeah.
equal. This car looks so much wider than what it was. That tire, the Raven tire setup just looks aggressive. Now I want you guys to comment. We're going to a couple of shows coming up. Do you guys want us to bring it to a truck show so you guys can see it, or just bring 2 trucks? You never know. Some people they're gonna be like, "This is a truck show. Why are you bringing a car?" Damn, it looks crazy. All right, guys. So what Alex is doing here, he is now unlocking its full power. But Alex, full potential unlocked now that we have the wheels. Because he had me on a little test to see if I was capable of handling this caliber of power on a supercar. But now he's seen, you know, he's seen what he can do. So now we got the tires on, so now we can put more power down. And it's actually gonna hook, it's not gonna spin and throw me out of the road.
Alright,
Done.
Pull it out. Show you how it's done, papi.
In the bag! Mira, güey, qué perro se mira, güey.
Get your camera.
¿Estás suelta con él?
Holy smokes!
Every car that we build that's line lock and drag radials, it's mandatory. We break them in by me. I bless it by doing a burnout.
Ah, okay. Yeah.
Sí, wey, bendecir, wey. Get the water, let's roll.
Get the water.
You're gonna baptize it.
Yeah, I wanna see it from the outside. I like how it looks. This thing looks crazy, boy. That car looks super aggressive, guys. That ice cream makes it look real look clean.
The side, the wheels, güey, se ven perros.
Mira, güey, pinche llantononón.
It's a whole different car.
Mira. ¡Ay, ponga verga! ¡Ponga verga! Mira. Damn, no mames, güey. Look at the side skirt. Oh, shit. Mira, güey. Ya de cero, no, hombre, se va a pescar bien sabroso. Okay. Damn. Damn, look at that tire, güey. No mames, se ve bien grande. That's a wide ass tire. Oh my god, it's crazy. I'm so happy. All right, so Alex said he's gonna bless it with the burnout. Let's see what he does. Yeah. With the line lock, cause guys, the whole time we've been here, we've been waiting for him to do the line lock thing. That way we could do a burnout for whenever we take it to the track.
Burnout time.
Burnout time! Mira, güey. Está bien caliente, güey. Sí. ¡Ey, ya me bañó! Mira la Burberry, güey. Damn. Ando todo quemado. Saliendo a ver cuánto power le voy a poner. So we're figuring out how much power he can put down, because we need it for the car. We need to take off and hook for the racing that we're gonna do. There you go.
Damn it, boy.
Shot. We got our personal track back here.
A little quick 16, 330.
Sheepy track.
So aggressive with that big tire, guys. It looks really good. Look at that. Alright guys, so we're gonna show Ketchup his plate. It's a custom plate made just for him. Ven pa' acá, muñeño. I don't want you to see it, okay? Here, cover your eyes with this.
¿Y cómo voy a grabar, güey?
Just continue walking straight. You ready?
¿Qué mamá?
His reaction.
A ver qué
His
mamá.
reaction. This is his plate, custom plate for him.
Hold on. Let me see it first. Let me look at it.
It was here, wait. We didn't
A ver.
Somebody left it there. I think it's...
Has her name on it.
Mira más. Mira acá.
A ver.
Ass man.
No mames.
Ass man.
Es pa'l Mustang, güey.
La miró. Mira, güey, la plate de Ketchup. Ass man. La miró Rose y dijo, ay, güey.
Ketchup.
Ahora, Jimeno, cuélgasela a la verga, güey. Ass man.
Dile que me la den.
You like it?
Mamalonca.
Pero estaba atrás, güey. I don't like the front plate in the front.
Ah.
Ass man for life.
No mames.
Antes no decía Big Booty Home.